Hello, and welcome to the demonstration of the Smart Lender project, an automated loan approval prediction application. Here is the homepage of the web portal. The application is built with a lightweight Flask backend and a clean, responsive HTML and CSS frontend interface. Let's click on the Predict button to open the prediction form. In this form, we collect the applicant's credentials, including their income, co-applicant income, requested loan amount, term, credit history, and property area. We will enter the applicant details and submit the form. The backend processes the inputs, scales them using a pre-trained StandardScaler, and executes the random forest model classification. And there we have it. The model has processed the application and predicts that the loan will be approved. This automated process minimizes loan processing cycles to under 1.5 seconds, ensuring a faster and fairer credit assessment. Thank you for watching.